had very little on to itself.
One of the engines blew up again.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Well, but right. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Wir werden verlieren auf jeden Fall.
Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action!
Warte, wo legst du hin?
Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Hey, now got us!
Nach links, nach links!
Cargo free! Pilot brakes!
Links!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Keep back up and
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial.
I know. Start it.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxial. Right, line up behind the train so we can harpoon the last car.
Warte rechts.
Others, shoot the train. Yes,
Genau so bleiben,
keep
genau so bleiben.
mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxial. I will grab it. You keep up to the train.
Rechts.
That gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Got to get out of here.
Links, rechts.
A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Jonas. Oh.
It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. You're dying. Let's get out of here.
Bereit? Los geht's.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Ja, okay.